So when Lagos was accepted as capital of Nigeria, Igbos, most of them are dead today, our forebears, they rose to the challenge. Challenge of that time is investment. Investment, massive investment to make the capital Lagos a proper, a fitting headquarters for Nigeria. That's how Igbos scattered all over. That's how Igbos moved into Lagos by a sense of patriotism. Igbos came into Lagos. They found some swampy lands. They bought the land. Igbos, when they came to Lagos, they never came there to take anybody's property. They came there, they saw empty, they bought the land. They converted swampy lands to habitable places. They built businesses, they built homes, they built schools, they developed Lagos. In effect, without the enterprise, without the patriotism of Igbos, of Nigerians like the Igbos, many other Nigerians did the same, but it will appear, because of population, Igbos were in large number. But these pioneers, these our forebears, are the heroes of the time, the heroes of what we call today a very strong Lagos. When they came there, Lagos was basically swamp, but they converted it to very wonderful, beautiful headquarters we see today in Nigeria. I want on this occasion to salute our forebears.